All right, welcome back to LearnWire. Let's look at DocAnalyzer.ai. This is how you can turn your documents into interactive chats and analyze info fast with this AI-powered platform. Now, before we get started, this reminds me of Google NotebookLM. You can go and check this out as well. So this is definitely going to be an alternative to this. Basically, you drop a bunch of documents in here, and then this software will go and analyze that, and you can have conversations with it right over here. ChatGPT, only you can control the input and the document library that you have, and then you can ask different questions and get insights and so forth. So DocAnalyzer is going to be an alternative or similar tool to NotebookLM. All right, so this is DocAnalyzer. It has 13 reviews, and I believe it's about a 4.6 star rating. We're going to go and check this out. Let's just jump into the plans and features real quick right over here. You get 100 megabytes per document. So if you have a really giant document, 500 megabytes, something like that, you're going to need to compress that and so forth before you actually upload it. Unlimited daily upload and so forth. But we're going to get into the pricing right away. So we have the license tier pricing. Tier 1 is $39. You're going to get all the features above. 250 chat API credits per month. I don't really know what that means, but we'll dive in and we'll see what that means in a minute. 10 gigabytes of storage, 5,000 questions per month, and 300 multi-document chat page limits. But as with all these lifetime deal softwares, if you're all in and it's a tool that you're going to invest into the future and you think that you're going to be using it a lot in your business, you may as well go with the all-in license tier 2. That comes in at $129. You get 2,000 chat API credits per month. You get 50 gigabytes of storage, so you get 5 times more than the license tier 1. And then unlimited questions per month, unlimited multi-document chats per month. Here's the thing, like if you're going to be using this for one of the popular, what I really like to come down here and look at from the founders, they do have a lot of organization here. They have a roadmap, the FAQs. I'm not going to go into all that. This review will end up being 40 minutes long, but I am going to go look at over here, use cases. So the use cases for this: government and public services, real estate and property management, healthcare and medical, insurance, banking and finance, management and consultancy, business operations and strategy, legal compliance, human resources, academic research. Academic research, writing, they don't even have blogging or SEO right over here. I want to test that because that's what we mostly do over here. And then, but the human resources and stuff, right? So if you have a bunch of different documents and all of your compliances and all the SOPs and all these things, you could put them all in this system and then ask questions and get information, find things very quickly using this. So super cool. I'm going to go and sign up for this, and we'll be right back and jump right into the demo. All right, so we are inside. This is what it looks like. A nice layout, very easy to follow, like right away. They have one button on the screen, and it's to upload and analyze. This is how you're going to get started right away. Before we do that, though, we may as well go and check out everything else. Let's go click over here. You have your account, and you have your settings. Let's go see what settings we have. Experimental features. I want to be part of the DocAnalyzer experiment features. And then right over here, you explore the cutting edge of document analysis technology, new functionalities, and so forth. So you can turn that on. I'm going to leave that off for now. Looks like you can buy credits inside of your account right over here. And this is where you can go and upgrade your plan, reset your password, and so forth. I'm going to go and click over here. The frequently asked questions right over here. What is DocAnalyzer? How do I use DocAnalyzer? Just different questions that you can get answered. I'm going to go right back into the app. Here's where you can submit a support ticket. They have a Discord server, immediate assistance. You can go and there's their email address right there. That is pretty cool. What is the software if they don't have an easy way to get help or support, right? We have API keys. So ready to power up your workflow with our API. So if you're not yet subscribed, now's the time. Our advanced API functionalities are exclusively available to our valued paying customers. By subscribing, you not only gain access to our sophisticated API, but also to a wide array of other features designed to help you chat, analyze, interact with your PDFs like never before. Don't miss out. Join right there. So you can choose the plan. So API keys, I'm not really sure that's going to unlock more APIs and more different things that you can do, but that's not going to really fit with this review because I believe you are going to, let's just click on this API documentation, a bunch of different coding and different things that you might want to do for tech stuff. And then I just want to come over here and see choose plan. So in order to get the API unlocked, you might have to, I'm not sure if you get that in the pricing over here. So let me go back over here. It does say you get chat API credits per month. So I'm not really sure if that is part of this or not. And then we have labels. You can create different labels right over here as well. But right now, let's just go right over to the docs, upload and analyze. So browse our device right over here. I'm going to go to downloads, and I've already downloaded a bunch of documents over here. So I want to go with all these right here. They're all PDF books that have to do with marketing and SEO. I want to click all those. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 books. We're going to open them up and let's see what ends up happening. That didn't upload. I'm going to go ahead and just click that. It's a PDF and we'll go with that. And it looks like it's downloading. So maybe we chose too many at once. Now I'm going to upload and analyze. I'm going to browse. I'm going to see if I can do 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we do those 5 at once? Open. And it just, nothing happens. So let me go back and try to do 2 documents for you at once. Highlight both those documents and it will do 2. So it does have a limit to max files. So it is uploading these and so forth. We can go chat with each individual, or we can create a label that creates all of them together. And that's what we'll do together in a minute. You've uploaded 3 documents today. Upgrade your plan. So on the free plan, so we were only able to do Pinterest, blueprint, overview of my process right over here, and then site structure. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and exit these right here. You can go in and you could easily just open up this. And now we're looking at just the Pinterest blueprint. And we could say, give me the top 3 tips in this Pinterest book. Push enter. Let's see if I can answer that. It's going to analyze. So the top 3 tips from this Pinterest document are: utilize recommended tools such as Tailwind, Keyword Atlas, Canva Pro, Tasty Pins to streamline your Pinterest marketing efforts. And it even tells you what page it comes from. That is very cool. Very impressive. We'll come back. We'll push that in a second to see if it actually takes us to that page. Number 2, focus on creating engaging pin covers that are designed to attract attention and increase click-through rates. Use Canva Pro and Tailwind to create. So imagine using this to analyze content, right? You could even go out and do a bunch of research on Google and just go in and put it into a Google document. And then you can export that as a PDF and you could upload that document and create a massive library for yourself. And then you can come in here and actually get a bunch of work done and so forth. So super cool so far. It's very easy to use, very straightforward. We're going to keep going. Leverage group brands and tailwind tribes on Pinterest to expand your reach, collaborate. So let's just go over here. Leverage group brands. I'm going to click on page 18. It's going to open up the document right over here. And let's see, when starting out with group brands, group boards are a great place to get some early traffic to your pins. Group boards right over here. So it's talking about all those group boards. You can also look at the different pages of the book right here. There's 19 pages in this PDF right here. It's analyzing that whole thing, right? Let's see where the exit button is. I think it's just right over here. Just click that. It was talking about group boards. Sorry, not group brands. All right, so it'll just take you right there. Utilize recommended tools such as Tailwind, Keyword Atlas. Let's go click on page 3. It'll take you right to the source. Imagine using this in HR. Imagine having all your documentation for your company, the employee handbook and rules and everything uploaded, and you could go out there and find exactly what you're looking for all in a library. I'm even thinking and seeing ways that I could use this in my business for myself, as far as I manage multiple brands, have all the documentation, SOPs for writers and video creators, and just have a whole bunch of stuff in here. And then when you're going out and you're trying to find what you're looking for, instead of going out to your Google Drive and then looking for different documents and doing all these things to find an answer to something that you created months ago, right? We've all been there. You can actually use this as an advantage to keep organized, and you can just basically create a nice information library and database for your company. So super cool. And look, it has all those right there, and it just tells you right here. So really cool. Recommended tools. So I like that, right? And then basically Pinterest right over here, we could, let's go and see how we can go into the documents section right over here. And then let's add a label. And let's just say that this label is, let's just say for this one, I'm just going to say article 1. And I'm just going to do article 1 because I want to create an article, and just as a test, I randomly uploaded these books, but I want to go ahead and assign article 1 right there. And then I want to assign all of them. So article, we're going to assign that as well. and then we're going to assign this one as well. Okay, so they're all assigned that label. That means that I can go and now look at all these documents together. I don't know what this button is right here. 5th generation analysis. Let's see right over there. It's going to analyze. So site structure, blueprint. So this is how to create an affiliate site right here. The overview of my process. I'm not really sure what this document is. So I want to go and just check it out real quick. And actually, you know what I want to do? I want to just get rid of this one because I'm not really sure. It says 9 pages. It says we have 9 pages in there, but I don't know how to get into the book to actually, okay, there we go. So we click on it right there. So this is Affiliate Site Empire. Okay, so this is great because we can use this and it gives some information about creating an affiliate site. So that's fine. Maybe it'll use information, maybe it won't. But now what we can do is you can manage the labels over here. So so right over here, we went to labels, right? We have a label right here. And did you know to chat with multiple documents at the same time? Just click chat with these documents. So look, chat with these documents right here. You click that and it's going to chat with all 3 of those documents. But imagine your plan's limited to 10 pages for the multi-documents chat. Obviously, everything they're doing right now is just trying to get me to upgrade. It makes complete sense, right? So this is to upgrade, but I already am impressed with this. So I'm actually going to go and upgrade my plan and I'll be right back. You know, sometimes while I'm doing reviews, guys, I don't like to buy all these tools, but when I am actually using the tool right now on the free plan, I'm getting limitations, right? And I want to show you guys how we could use this further, but I'm also looking at how I could use this in my business. And so I want to go and I'm going to go ahead and purchase this product. We'll be right back in a new account and then we'll be right back and I'll show you what the paid account looks like. Okay, so I just went through the checkout process. You can see that I created a new account here and I am on the AppSumo Tier 1, so I paid the $39. This is one of those moments where do I really need the Tier 2? I'm going to be managing maybe 2 or 3 brands. I think I can get away with Tier 1 in this case, but if you're like an agency or a business and it's a big business, you have a lot of employees, a lot of HR to deal with and so forth, you're probably going to want to buy Tier 2. But for my small business, I think Tier 1 will work just fine. So I'm going to go and add more documents and we'll be right back. I'm going to get this all set up and then we'll come back and we will test creating content or asking questions to a label which has a ton of documents in it. I may as well just show you guys the process of adding more. So I did add 5 at a time. It is uploading 5. It's letting me upload 5 at a time, which is great. I didn't try to upload all 7 of them, but I'll take 5. That's pretty good. So I'm going to come back over here and upload 2 more. So we'll just go right here. We'll select this one, and then we'll go upload. And then it just nicely shows you what you're uploading right over here. And it seems to be pretty fast at uploading. You can see right here, boom. And then these ones over here are already done. Now, looks like, so you can obviously click on the add label right over here, but I'm going to go and click and see if you can select all of them and see if we can add. Now, it would be nice if these kind of went away after like maybe 10 seconds or something. So I'm having to X out of those. But we have highlighted all of our documents. We have 7 documents total. And it does look like you can actually add a label to all of them. So like I said, I'm going to do a test. I'm going to put article 1. This is actually a new email address that I used for this account as well. The memory still stuck with that article 1 right there. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and say, we're going to label all of them, create, and then I'm going to label them all and push done. So now look, they're all article 1. Cool. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go into labels and then we're going to say chat with these 7 documents right here. So this label is we're going to create an article. And let's just say we did a bunch of research and because I know this is what you guys would be interested in as well. What can we do with this to analyze all 7 documents? So I'm going to say we are going to create an article about setting up a site, an affiliate site, and getting most of the traffic from Pinterest. Can you give me an article outline that covers this topic in depth? And I push enter. Let's see what it ends up doing for us right here. So here we go. I recommend structuring your article outline as follows to cover the topic of setting up an affiliate site and leveraging Pinterest for traffic. Introduction. Brief overview of affiliate marketing and its benefits, introduction to Pinterest right there. And then we have understanding affiliate marketing, explanation of affiliate marketing, benefits of affiliate marketing for website owners, tips for successful affiliate, setting up your affiliate site, choosing the niche. This is just, it's got everything. It's in depth. Getting started with Pinterest, introduction to Pinterest as a social media platform, benefits of Pinterest, for affiliate marketing, creating a Pinterest account, optimizing your Pinterest profile, creating compelling pins, building your Pinterest strategy, implementing affiliate links with Pinterest. So this is combining all that information together, which is super, super cool. So this outline will help you structure the article in a comprehensive and organized manner, covering all essential aspects of setting up an affiliate site and driving traffic from Pinterest. Okay, so I'm just going to say for fun, let's just see if it can do this. Can you write an introduction paragraph for my article? Okay, so I just typed this out right over here and let's see what it can do. Click that. Can it write an introduction paragraph, right? I'm sure this is connected in some, okay, here we go. So I'm sorry, but you've not provided me with the content of your article. Could you please provide a summary or key points from your article so that I can craft a personalized introduction? I'm going to go ahead and go back over here to this based on the outline above, and then comma, put that in right there, push enter. It might not be able to do this, might take some messing around with it to see if it can do this. I'm sorry, but the provided content from Low Ticket Mastery Slides Day 1 does not include relevant information that can be used to craft an introduction paragraph for your article. If you can provide more details on specific points from your article, I'll be able to assist you with creating. So this is something I'm going to have to work with. We would have to work with on how we would actually be able to use this as an article writer. Right now, I tried twice. It's not something that's fast, or it just doesn't immediately write for you. But it did get us really well with taking all 7 of these documents and creating an article outline that you could go and copy this whole thing right here and go to the conclusion. And then you could go in and you could go into Claude like this. And then you could say, write my article. Let me see if I paste. Okay, so it's all there. And I'm going to say, oh, what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to copy this right here. I'm going to put that back in Claude right here as well. And then I'm going to say, here is the article outline. Write 2 sections at a time. The total article. All right. And then I'm going to put, here's the outline. Shift enter. And then I'm going to, nope, not that part. Come back over here and grab the outline that we created, copy that, come back in here, paste that in, and then see what Claude can do for us based on our prompt. So write my article. Can you write an introduction paragraph for my article? Sound like a human in first person, like you're talking to my best friend, talking to a best friend. Here's the article outline. Write 2 sections at a time. The total article length should be 2,000 words. Here's the outline. And I took that whole outline, put it in right here. Boom. So it says, hey there, bestie. And you can change that. Obviously, it took it literally. So we would want to change that. How we're always looking for ways to make some extra cash online. I've been diving deep into the world of affiliate marketing lately, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. Imagine being able to earn money just by promoting products you love, blah, blah, blah. But see, affiliate marketing, and that's where Pinterest comes in. It's not just a place for pretty pictures anymore. It's a powerhouse for driving traffic to your affiliate site, and it did really well. So then now we can come over here and we can say next and push enter. So now it's going to jump into the rest. And we didn't even say we could, I forgot to put in there in markdown language or markdown format. So it does subheadings and so forth. But here it is writing this article for us. And this is how I would use this. So this is really cool. I purchased a tier 1 for this. I think I'm going to be using it for my business, my brands, putting in a lot of the documentation and training and different things. Now, one thing that's document led based on PDFs. I don't know if it handles any other kinds of documents. I would love for you to be able to upload videos and different things so that you can reference a whole library of sorts and not just PDFs. Right now, I believe it only handles PDFs. So even if you have Word documents and so forth, you're going to have to export them as PDFs in order to upload them in here. But overall, this is pretty impressive. What do you guys think? This is DocAnalyzer.ai, and it has 2 prices, $39 for license tier 1, and license tier 2 comes in at $129. Overall, if I had to give this a rating, I would probably give this a 4.5. It's missing out on a 5.0 because not being able to write an article or write an introduction paragraph, having a little bit of a hard time with that. I'd expect a little bit more of the output. And then also, I would like to see more ways to upload different types of content or even Word documents and so forth, and not just PDFs. But overall, I thought this was very easy to use. I didn't need to watch any tutorial videos or anything like that. The UI is very simple to use. It's very straightforward. And right out of the gates, I think this is a very useful tool for those that need a document library like this that can use AI to analyze and so forth. One of my favorite parts was that when it gives you feedback back or an answer back, it also provides the page number for that document. And I think that's super, super cool. If you're trying to find somewhere in the, again, employee handbook for HR, it's 100 pages long, and you're trying to find out where the dress code is, all you have to do is just type in, hey, where's the dress code at? Boom, it will tell you, or something like that. So super cool. Let me know what you guys think below. Link will be below if you want to go check out DocAnalyzer. We'll see you in the next video.